Hi guys, it's Candace again, aka Candy So Sweet, and today I'm coming at you with my fourth bird inspired look, and this look was inspired by the Sun Conure, and I hope you like it. I've already got all of my foundation, my powder, my blush, all of that on. So now all I have to do is show you how I got the eye look. And this is what I've got. And you'll see why I got this. A lot of Sun Conures are mostly orange, but this one had a lot of bright yellows in it. So I did try to get that yellow to stand out. And it had just a touch of green in it, so you'll see from the picture why I chose to do it this way. And first of all, I'm going to start out by taking my eye primer from e.l.f. Maybe. I think it may have broke. Oh no! Okay. That was odd. Okay, and I'm just going to prime my eye really good with it. I want those colors to stick and be as vibrant as possible. And I want to make sure to get under my eye as well. Then after I got that done, I took my eyeshadow brush, also from e.l.f. It's one of the e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow. It's a C brush for eyeshadow. And I took a white because I want this look to really pop. And I went all over my lid and my eyebrow with that. Make sure to get like a full coverage of the white in there, because it will help your colors to be more vibrant and stand out better in the long run. So I got that. Then after I finished with that, I took, and it's almost gone, guys. This is like my daughter's favorite color, but it's a yellow. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is in this quad right here. Or no, I guess it's not a quad. It's got 5 shadows, and it's Tease by LA Colors, and it's just this yellow in the end here. Almost gone, so I have to be kind of stingy, but yet at the same time get that yellow vibrant enough. And so I just popped it here in the corner, maybe about a half of the eye. And I also took this color here, where's it at? Right here, out of my Profusion, and I used it in the corner with that as well to kind of give it more of a yellowy, because I really didn't have a very vibrant yellow. And so take that yellow again, make sure to get it in the corner really well, and then that's what I've got so far. After that, I took the orange that is right next to the yellow in this right here. So I took this color, got it on my brush, and I done the outer corner of my eye with it. And to me, that is not like a big enough contrast between the yellow and the orange. So I took this color here I hope you guys can see that right here. And I added it on top of that orange. And it's going to look really, really bright at first. Then I also went through the crease with that. And for my crease, I done it just a little bit different, not a whole lot. Instead of putting the orange from the LA Colors on top, or on bottom, I put it on top this time. I don't know that it makes any difference, but that's what I done with the other eye, so that's what I'm going to do over here. So, put that on there. And then you've got more of an orangey. And then after I got that, I went in here and blended out the crease, because I want these to blend just kind of natural. I don't want a real harsh line. And so that's what I got there. And then I just took and blended this out as much as I could possibly blend it. And that's what I've got. Okay, then I took my eyeshadow brush again, or you can use your contour, either one, and I think I'm going to use my contour. And I know it's kind of a dark color, but I took this brown here and kind of popped that as a highlight, just to kind of cover that white a little bit. I figured with the white being there, it wouldn't be too dark. And then that's what I've got. Okay, then after that, I took out of the LA Colors palette again, the Tease. I took the last color, the green, and I used my eyeliner brush, and I went in with this green, and I just put it underneath, because like I said, it did have a little pop of green in it, so I couldn't leave it out. And that's what I've got now. And then with my contour brush, I took my hard candy here. It's the quad called Bad Reputation. It's not a quad, it's a duo called Bad Reputation. And I took the white and got a good coating of the white on my brush. And then I'm just going to pop that right in the corner. This will help my eyes to stand out more, and also the Sun Conure in the picture does have white around its eyes. So that's what I've got. And then for my eyeliner, where'd it go? For my eyeliner, I used Bonnie Bell in Basic Black. Looks like this. And I didn't use any liquid eyeliner or anything, and I just kind of winged it just a little bit. And then for my eyelashes, I used Fully Loaded by NYC. And I will do the mascara on camera, but I cannot do my eyeliner, as you all know. So I will be right back to finish the look. Okay guys, I'm back, and now I'm going to show you how I got my eyelash look. First of all, I used my eyelash curlers, and I curled my eyelashes. And I usually hold it for about 10 seconds or so, just so that it gets a good curl in there. There we go. And then I took my Fully Loaded. And I've seen these people that have the mascara primer. If anybody knows anything about that, please leave comments below to let me know how they feel about it and if it makes any difference at all. But anyways, I'm going to use my Fully Loaded mascara. Sorry, it's dark outside and I can hear I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I hear the crickets. It's so funny. Makes me think of someone being in a comic show, like a stand-up comedy, and everybody being real quiet, and then you hear all of these crickets chirping or whatever. It's so funny. Okay guys, that's my finished look. And then for my lipstick, I used a lip gloss because it was an orangey. And I used from LA Colors. It is one of their dual lip glosses. And it's got the real pretty peachy orange color here. Then at this end it's just sparkles, but I just used this one on this end, just the regular, because it's more of an opaque, and I wanted that orange look on my lips. So that's it guys. I'm sorry it took so long to get this video up, and I want to say thank you to every one of you guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or constructive criticism, no being mean guys, but if you have any constructive criticism or anything that I can do to better my channel, please let me know. Also, if you have any requests, please leave that down below. And I will have pictures at the end and the beginning of the Sun Conure and of my finished look. So thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.